Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to do the fifth step of the Rubik's Cube. The first case I have right now is where there are two headlights and on the front and there are two headlights on the back. And just in case you don't know what headlights are, they're two of the same corner pieces in the same face. Like I'm on the blue face, there are two same colored corner pieces in this face. So that's what headlights are. So let's get started to know how to solve the puzzle. So what you do is turn it up, you turn it to the side, you turn it down, you turn it to the side, and then you turn it up, you turn this to the side 2 times, and then you turn it down. And then you have this case where it's a fish, but it has 2 heads, which is pretty weird. And then you want to have a yellow corner piece right here. So let's turn it until we get one. Now we got one right here. So then what you want to do is you want to turn this face to the right, and then you want to turn these 2 layers up. Then you want to turn this top face to the left. And then you want to turn this right place down. Then you turn this top face to the right. And then you turn these 2 layers down. And then you turn this front layer to the left. And then you turn this right layer down. After you've done that, you have it solved. After it's solved, you can just scramble the cube and practice again. But you can only practice if you get the same situation, which is going to take a long time to know. It's going to take a long time to if you don't get the same situation, then you have to scramble again and again and again, and it's going to take a long time. So I'll just teach you the next situations. So this next situation is going to be a little similar to that situation. So how you do this situation, first look at it. So see, these 2 layers on the yellow side are solved. But this edge piece is lonely. And this is almost like the heads, like the headlights, but these corners are flipped. They're facing back to back. And then what you want to do is you want a yellow corner piece to get on this side right here. So you turn it to the side, and then what you do, you turn it to until you get the the yellow piece on this side. And then there, I got one. So after you get one there, you turn these 2 layers up. You turn this top face to the left, and then you turn this, the right side down. Then you turn this top face to the right. Then you turn this, these 2 layers down. Then you go to the right side. You turn this top face to the left. You turn this right side up. Then you turn this top face to the right. And then there you go, you're finished. So let's look at another case. Yes, this one. So if you watched my brother's tutorial, then you will know what fish number 2 and fish number 1 is. So this right here is fish number 2. Fish number 2 is very, very easy. So what you do for fish number 2 is you turn this up, like the right up, and then you turn the top face to the left. You turn the right down, you turn the top face to the left, then you turn the right up, and then you turn the top face to the right 2 times. And so there you go. That is the 3rd case, I think. And so let's look at the 4th case. So this is like fish number 2, but this is fish case 1. So why this is fish case 1 is because this part right here is not like this. And also this part right here is not like this. So that's why it's not fish number 2. But since these parts are not like that, it's fish number 1. And so what you do for fish number 1 is you turn, so you turn these faces, you turn this face until you get a yellow piece right over here. First, what you want to do is, when it's like this, you want the head to be opposite from where you are. So now I want the head to be right here instead of right here. So let's make the head go there. There we go. It went over there. And so after you did that, what you want to do is, you want to turn, let me check. Yeah, so how you do this is, you turn, so like you turn this top face, like the right face, up, and then you turn the top face to the left 2 times, and then you turn this right face down, then you turn this top face to the right once, and then you turn this right face to the, up, and then you turn this top face to the right, and then you turn this right face down, and then it gets you solved to a solved face. And I think that's all. No, there's one more thing, and that's the last one. So this is the next case, where you have headlights instead of when we did the headlights, but they were on this back to back. But now it's time for headlights, not back to back. So what you do for the headlights is you turn this top face up. So what you do for this case is you turn this right face to the up 2 times, and then you turn this, and then you turn this bottom face to the right once, and then you turn this right face down once, and then you turn this top face 2 times, and then you turn this right face up, you turn this bottom face to the left, you turn this right face down once, and then you turn this top face 2 times to the right, and then you turn this right face down. And then there you go. You pretty much just solved the whole thing. So let's look at the next case. So this is our next case. So you want a yellow corner to be on the right, on the top right. And then since I already have it, let's move on. So what you want to do is you want to go to the white side, and this top layer should go to the right. And then after that, you go to the blue or wherever, like you turn the cube up, and then you turn on the white side up, like that. And then you turn this top layer to the left. And then you turn this right layer down. And then you turn this top layer to the right. Then you turn these two down. And then you turn this. And then you go to the white side. And then you turn this top layer down to the left, I should say. And then you turn this right layer up, and then you have it solved. And then that's what you have to learn. That's all the cases, and you've learned them. So I hope you liked this video. So please subscribe. Bye.